In this video, I will show you the design of a superbike model GSX-9R with 3 color versions, and it is predicted that it will replace the GSX-R1000R in 2025. Of course, this is a design based on recent rumors about the superbike equipped with a 900cc engine with turbocharged technology about to be released. This is bad news for those who love the GSX-R1000R because it is about to start production in the near future. According to recent rumors, the GSX-9R is being developed by Suzuki and is about to be introduced in 2025. The GSX-R1000R has been around for many years but has not yet released the new version. So, Suzuki motorcycle enthusiasts speculate that this GSX-9R model was launched with the purpose of replacing the GSX-R1000R. According to rumors circulating in the media, the GSX-9R will have the same appearance design as its recent launch brothers. Besides, the GSX-9R is also rumored to be equipped with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine completely different from the 2-cylinder engine of the GSX-8R. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you and see you.